I only have one question. Where is all that stubborn mentality? One question: where is all the stubborn mentality? Where is all the stubborn mentality when you're criticizing teams? Where is all the stubborn mentality when you're selecting the squad? Where is all the stubborn mentality that you're using on press conference? That's trust, that's confidence on yourself. Where is it? Why are you putting 5 defenders, bro? Yo, ngabona mina sa-announce pra squad pra ukuthi okay ufaka ama-defenders ayi-11 for what? For what? All of us know we are not going there to compete. I don't even understand the mandate, bruh, because we're not going there. My mandate as like a South African football lover, my mandate, if like I was the minister or whoever that is on top telling them what he mandate, my mandate is to make sure what like we put our boys out there, but for exposure, to promote themselves, because we don't actually have like players available that's actually like playing outside the country on competitive leagues in a corner. That is supposed to be the mandate, according to me. But I don't know. Tell me y'all what you're actually thinking, available. If like okay, if the mandate was so good, like so winner like a World Cup, we're just being delusional. We are not being realistic. If the mandate was to go round of 16. Okay, that is actually good, but that is actually good available. But let's check my group stages that school a group school available. It is not even that difficult for good singazi sithathe maybe just for good dlule go round of 16. Because it's sithathe like ama defenders amaning and stuff and there are a lot of questions right now that are gonna be raised. So yeah, Mexico 2, Bafana nil. And there are 3 red cards, 2 from Bafana side and 1 red card from like Mexican side. What a boring match! I don't wanna lie. I'm gonna be saying boring match because I'm gonna be subjective available, because like it is more sensitive for me since well I'm a South African. What kind of approach is that? As a technical team, if you don't have trust in yourself, what's a player supposed to do? It seems like you don't know football, bruh. It seems like it is first time siqala ukubona ukuthi ibhola, bruh. Ama players don't, bro, I have so much talent. I wanted people today to witness Khuliso Muta. I wanted people today to witness the full potential of TLP. I wanted people today to witness Apolis, really, Muremi, Mokwena, Reynas. I wanted people to witness Williams ukuthi makaphuma eboxing and then it's connecting but guess what, the coach tries to be smart, but the coach tries to be smart and they try to be smart. We cannot confuse the opponent. Guess who was confused also? The players. When we qualified, we're not playing like this. We're not playing defensive football. When we're playing friendlies, we're not playing defensive football. Why are we having defensive mindset against Mexico, against the group that we have, even the selective of his squad, against the group that we have? Come on, Bafetu. This is not the hardest group that we're not. There's no even Portugal or Argentina or France or our group. We're playing at the likes of Mexico, Bafetu. Why so much respect? I understand with the host nation, but why so much respect? Did they give us the same respect when they were playing with us 2010? They didn't. So why are we respecting? Why approach? I hope the last 2 matches that we are playing, we won't become. Imagine we're supposed to play with the Korea, but we're supposed to play with the Korea. Do you know how difficult and how talented are those boys when you are respecting Mexico like this? I understand maybe they can play with, nah, let's just frustrate them and then after that we'll score. Guess what? We frustrated ourselves. We can't progress the ball because we only have 2 players about white. We don't have 4. We don't have 4 players. It's okay. I understand what you are playing with 5. Yeah, at least to play 5-4-1 once. Why are we not having with players? uba nama-fullback sethu that are supposed to call it. Omutau already is always giving each and every game from Mamelodi Sundowns 100%. That is supposed to give 200% because it's supposed to play the role of a winger and then also the role of like a defense. And he's not exposed to like a role in Jalo. You are playing with players that are playing for big clubs, bruh. Big clubs, but the mentality of like about defend and stuff. You are confusing the players. Today they are supposed to defend. They are not used to that. This is not Pulgone City. This is not Burnley. This is not some Sati out there. You are confusing the players. So why? What is even the mandate? We're supposed to be seeing Obo Rile. We're supposed to be seeing Obo Murem. We're supposed like to be promoting our players. That is my mandate for me. We're supposed to be promoting like I'm a players that so it will be easy for good I'm a scout available banto be exposed available to competitive leagues out there in Europe. But guess what? Tina sees so I'm so speechless, I'm so speechless for the remaining matches. Ngicela ukuthi sidlale kahle sibe ne-attacking midfielder sibe nama-wingers, because today the main problem that we actually had ukuthi our ways we have like players that are comfortable and the ball available, but we couldn't progress the ball because the moment you're having a 5 vele move, but the only way you can progress the ball is to jump is no matter what kind of formation where the moment you're having a 5 move, the only way for to progress available is sky football, because even if you are playing 5-4-1 available, even though it was going to be at least more stable, but the problem is that still you wouldn't have that midfield available, 3 available, so was going to link up available plays. So you're supposed to play why still. Yo, I wonder which second match in midfield how it's gonna be shaping, because it's 12 and I'm today. What a mess. Do we even realize we still have a World Cup? Do we even realize? Bro, I wanted to see Khulisa Mutau. I was like, today I wanna watch Khulisa Mutau. It's gonna be but they're limiting him, bro. They're limiting. I understand with Tumuti, but they are limiting him. Today at TLB, I was like, I'm supposed to be seeing him stopping those guys, pocketing and stuff, but we're limiting him. He was playing more of a football more than as a centre back. I'm a players, they are surprised, but I'm a position that was. We're playing with 2 strikers. The moment we're playing 2 strikers, that means good. You want to have a central striker, which means good. Both of them they're supposed to play with wingers, which means good on a striker. We're limiting our players. There's a Renas play Baba Renas Mamelodi Sundowns. We are with another striker too. There's Foster play with another guy. Do they understand like the role which they're supposed to spread? What's Omele spread? So because man, I'm so speechless. I don't wanna lie. Next match, I'd rather like lose like 5-0 and stuff, but like this was Mexico. Okay, power, but you saw how clumsy that guy was. Akazanga team. Did you see how clumsy that guy was? Akazanga attest like on a stress note because of the formation, because of the way he decided to approach the game, because of the way we decided to be scared and stuff. Man, I'm so speechless. And by the way, my apology for going after for a long period of time. And yeah, man, I had to do this. They left over my ball for but yeah, it's this guy in lap, man. Good luck to the next games. I'm just gonna be watching in Portugal. I'm done. Cristiano Ronaldo the best to win this World Cup. But clearly other teams okay. But just sacrifice one defender mover and then you're putting a winger. And then after that ways you can take your Renas as a winger. Tata or Foster, put him as a 9 very straight. Adams already will be able as like attacking midfielder. Playing with Sitole, Nomukwena deep, we have a back 4, stable. Why so much respect? Let's start on. Yeah, thank you.